In honor of the World Cup, we are going to be making a very fruity hat trick. We're going to start off with 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 0.75 ounces of simple syrup, 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Fresh squeezed. Yes, very. And lastly, 2 ounces of your favorite brand of gin. All right. We're going to add ice. And then we are going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in our hands. Got a little aggressive with that one.
And so pretty.
A little drippy. Okay. So we're going to add just a few ice cubes to our Collins glass. We can always add a little more. Okay. We are going to double strain just because that pineapple does tend to get on the pulpy side of things. Gorgeous. Now, try this one. I tried this once already. The cherry juice no like it floats. So we're going to add just a little bit of cherry juice just to give it some color. You're going to see it's going to sink to the bottom and give it kind of like an ombre effect. Nice little sunset.
What did you say? Ombre?
Ombre. Bro, get with the times, man. Tell you don't do your hair. Got a nice little.
Sure, that's the right word.
Little sunset. Umber, what are you talking about?
Amber. Umber.
Again, I will reiterate, I'm looking for a new cameraman. Now, for our garnish, we're going to use a very juicy maraschino cherry. Ugh, look at her. She's so pretty.
Camera doesn't do it justice.
Oh, sad. Well, she's real pretty on my end. I don't give a crap what y'all say. Okay, I'm going to take off. I already almost stabbed myself once today, so let's maybe not do that again. Okay. I'm going to give this just a quick little stir. I mean, not that there's really enough cherry juice to make a big difference, but I'm going to give it a nice little stir here. So that way when I consume, it has a good flavor. Look at it.
What are you going to do?
All right. I'm going to taste. I'm going to rate, give you my honest opinion. 1 is I would have 1 cocktail and probably move on to the next one. 5 is I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. So let's see if we shall hate ourselves today. I almost actually don't smell anything, which is interesting. Ooh, okay. Oddly enough, yes, there's pineapple, but not like you would expect. It's a light pineapple, much lighter, not, I wouldn't say diluted pineapple, but it's a very light bit of pineapple. The lemon just brightens it up. Not sickly sweet. It's very refreshing. I don't really taste any cherry, like I mentioned. I do taste the gin, so I do recommend if you don't like a juniper-y forward gin, definitely use a New World style gin so you get more of like the floral aspect of it. But this is extremely refreshing and not super sweet. I'm going to give this one, I'm going to give it a 4.5 out of 5. Yeah, this is one that could get really dangerous. Like, I taste the gin, but not enough to the point where I'm like, ooh, this is really boozy. This will go down a little too easy, if I'm just saying. All right. If you enjoyed the cocktail, don't forget the ingredients are listed down below. That way you can make the cocktail right in your own home. If you do, make sure you let me know what your thoughts are and if you like the cocktail. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.